A growing wave of political violence and intimidation in Masvingo has been linked to close allies of State Minister for Provincial Affairs and Devolution Ezra Chadzamira, raising alarm among local human rights defenders. Sanamira mashoko ari kuda panguva ino achiexposa Minister Chadzamira panguva ino achiunika kunzi he is unleashing terror in Masvingo. Ndokuti bwa subscriber olaika wotina on the bell icon. Tipina panapa munozere mubanyika muzvichenzi. ZANU-PF activist Esau Mutano, who also serves as Chadzamira's personal driver, and Masvingo Maguchu have been identified as key figures in a group allegedly orchestrating acts of harassment, disruption, and threats targeting opposition supporters and civil society actors in the province. Human rights groups in Masvingo say the pattern of intimidation appears to be coordinated with the victims reporting a spike in politically motivated incidents since the start of July. In quotes, this is no longer just partisan campaigning, it's coordinated terror, and the people behind it are known, said one Masvingo-based human rights activist who spoke on condition of anonymity for safety reasons. The fact that these individuals are linked to Mr. Chadzamira raises serious questions about the abuse of political office and impunity. According to the activist, those involved often operate in plain sight and use their connections to the ruling party to shield themselves from accountability. People like Mutano and Maguchu walk freely despite a string of documented incidents. Victims are afraid to report to the police because they believe nothing will be done. The activists accused the ZANU-PF of turning Masvingo into a laboratory of repression. Political violence must never be normalized. We urge the government to act decisively and remove these thugs from the system, starting with those closest to powerful ministers, the activist said. Although Minister Chadzamira was not immediately available for comment, an official to Benjamin Borombo building in Masvingo dismissed the allegation, saying, "We are not aware of what you are talking about. If you have any evidence, bring us documents to prove your claims." Ndo mashoko aripo panguva ine kuchionekwa kunzi awo ZANU-PF panguva ino yakuzvinyanya. Kuchionekwa kunzi kune ZANU-PF pressure group leaders aiwa vakaita sana Esau Mutano vanoonekwa kunzi vanouya panguva ino vachiintimidata macitizens vachikonzeresa violence, but vanogosiwa freely even vakapinzwa mumatare edzimhosva vakanzi varipire mari. Aiwa panguva ino vanogosiwa, hapana kana vanhu vanombova tsoma. Pinai comment section medu kuti mafungiro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Subscribe, like, chete on the bell icon.